Hey everyone, today we are going to explore curve visualization tool. So every wallet, every transaction, every signature in crypto comes down to one operation. A point on an elliptic curve. This tool lets you see that math in action. So we have two types here, ECDSA and EED25519 curve, which Solana uses, and ECDSA, which Ethereum and Bitcoin uses. So here you can check out the tutorial and how it works, like what are the sections in this tool. So yeah, you can skip this one as well, and then a little bit about what are the bonding curves and all. You can read everything about this blockchain HQ. So switch between them, and you can see different curves because this is what ECDSA curve follows, and this is the math. I'm not going to explain this math and tools and everything about this tool, but you can explore more at blockchain HQ. So this is the math. This is how you can check the point addition, how it does the scalar multiply, how key is being generated in the Ethereum curve, and you can check that how public key and private keys are generated in Ethereum from the scratch in this tool, and this is how curves are being displayed uh, on Ethereum signature, and you can play with this. You can also check how discrete logarithm problem. What is the you can also check discrete logarithm problem, like how this g curves is this, like how it can find the k curve on the graph. What is the logarithmic problem, how it solves, etc. How keys are defined, and all of them here in this tool. So the tool hides k, shows you only the result and the challenge. You find it easy with the like small numbers, and you can just try with the 2 or 11 or anything you can guess, and it will show you if you can find the match, or if you can find the private key of this public key. So this is how you cannot find private key of Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other blockchain. So that's what we are trying to display it here. So just play around with it, and what are the parameters of the curve, what type of curve it uses, what kind of math does it uses, everything is mentioned here, and what kind of key spaces it uses. It uses 256 bits possibly. So this is impossible to reveal except the quantum computing. So yeah, in this same way, in Solana, the different curve is used, different math. It's point addition, how points are defined, how you can find its scale, like if you can guess the private key or not, how key is generated in Solana. Behind the scene happens in key generation. It's all defined here. Let's say you're signing something on Solana. How will it work? So this is what it shows. You can, it's like enter message, then it will generate the nonce, it will compute the r, and everything is computed. So that's how you'll get the signing message. So behind the scene a lot of things are happening, like you can see, as you can see in this flow, and this is how one signature is done. And also you can check params, like what kind of curve Solana uses, its math, its parameters, and everything. And here we have added the difference between ECDSA and ED to 5519 curve. So this is all about this tool. Go to the blockchainhq.xyz tools, find this curve visualizer and play with it, explore it, and let us know your feedback.